तो फिर मैंने सुना है, मेरा सवाल ये है कि क्या हमारी साधना हमें हमारी चेतना को शुद्ध करेगी, या फिर जो गुरु के प्रति सेवा है वो हमारी चेतना को शुद्ध करेगी?
बताओ क्या बोल
बहुत लंबा
ये पूछ रहा है गुरु महाराज कि हम जो गुरु की सेवा करते हैं कि हमारा साधना, दोनों में से कौन सा हमारा चेतना को शुद्ध करेगा?
दो ही करे,
दोनों।
ये भी करता है, भी करता है। राइस खाने भी पेट भरता है, रोटी खाने भी पेट भरता है। पेट खा, कौन खाएगा पेट भर? दो ही खाओ तो हजम हो जाए तो खा लो। क्या ठीक है?
सुपर
समझ गया जी? रोटी खाने पेट भरता कि नहीं? भात खा ले भात भरता कि नहीं?
सब्जी भी
तो अब कभी रोटी खाओगे, भात खाओगे, कभी दोनों ही खाओ, तो दोनों में शुद्धि होता है। समझिए? विश्वास है इसमें? बहुत अच्छा। और किसका क्या सवाल है? Who has got question? Devotional, anything? चलो, अच्छा।
संकीर्तन में, अभी संकीर्तन में सेवा करता हूँ, तो संकीर्तन में बोलते हैं कि अभी हमें डोनेशन जो कोई डिवोटी बाहर के लोग देते हैं कि उनके यहाँ नहीं लेना चाहिए, हमें उनका के हाथ से कुछ जो उन्होंने दे दिया तो बाहर का नहीं खाना चाहिए, बाहर का नहीं लेना चाहिए। और फिर कोई ऐसे बाहर का ही मिल जाता है, वो हमें राशन दे देता है तो वो हम खा लेते हैं, तो वो भी तो फिर डोनेशन का ही हुआ ना।
ये बोल रहे हैं कि कभी हमको कोई पैसा देता है बाहर के लोग संकेतन में, तो उसको हम लेते नहीं, लेकिन राशन देता तो हम लेते हैं। तो फिर
व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन?
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
तो क्या हमें बाहर का खाना चाहिए? वो कहते हैं नहीं खाना चाहिए, फिर भी हम वो लेके खाते हैं राशन।
तो भगवान के तो भोग देगा तो शुद्ध हो जाता उसको, नहीं तो उसका तो कुछ दे दो, किताब दे दो उतना पैसा का, हैं? तो ये वो काट देता पाप का फल। अगर पैसा तुम कुछ देता नहीं, को दे दो तो वो पाप लग जाना। Everybody, is that clear? But if you take something, always give something. Okay. Otherwise you become duplicated in.
When you give direct money, that one.
Somebody direct money giving,
and then
giving some book, please give some present. This way you are not become implicated, becoming indebted. Take his karma. शुद्धि हो जाए। समझ गया? बुझे अच्छी? और देखो कि any question? But you are not music, you are bhakta.
I like that title. I like that internal.
This is famous. This story. Many places Prabhupada. Now is that some of them becoming naturalist. No, they're going back to Stone Age. So they become Punan Mushika Baba. You are not Punan Mushika. If at all Punan Mushika, you are becoming Ganesh, just Ganesh has got a Bahon, you becoming like that. Maybe. And Nanda Maharaj's house, Maharaj Jashoda's house, Mickey Mouse. And they give I would like to become Nanda Maharaj was a dog. And Nanda Maharaj giving food, this, that. Sitting Nanda Maharaj, Maharaj Jashoda, so exalted devotee. I became, what does it matter? In the spiritual, to become dog and man, there is no difference. So-called dog. I would rather like become, instead of human being here, Krishna's horse. I'm flying. Horse can fly and go so millions of miles fast. The transcendental horse. Is that clear? Some guy told me in Prabhupada's, he said, Subhag, in Vrindavan early days, Subhag, we are going in a horse-drawn cart, early days. He said, Subhag, you will become horse. I will become. I said, yes. I will become horse or the spiritual horse. You become here. Go on. Now, which is better? There it is better. Is that clear? Is it better to be Krishna's horse? Nothing wrong. It is spiritual Lord, is not like this material Lord. Again, I am giving service to Krishna. Krishna likes. He feeds him, this, that. He so much Krishna's association. A Shantaras, he said. The only difference that is Shantaras. That means Krishna himself goes, you mentally think Krishna goes and take your service. Hey, Goda, chal, let us go for a walk or something. Krishna may be feeding the horse. Krishna's tree, Shantaras. So trees in Vrindavan, they give fruits. They want when Krishna will come, take shelter under the tree. He's exhausted. He pick up the fruits and take the flowers and he decorate, make garden for Radharani. Is that not good? And tree feels joyful. It's not this material world tree. Maybe the tree can move from one place to another. Not like, this is not original. Originally spiritual world, which you cannot think of. Somebody asked, oh, but is there cockroach or something, scorpion? No problem, you go there and see. If somebody say, oh, but is there pizza, pasta, mushroom? I don't know what to. You go there and see.
Maybe not.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Madam. Merci beaucoup. Is there some pizza hut in the spiritual world? You go and see, find out. You tell Krishna, like pizza? Our primary rasa is Madhurya, yes. Gaudiya especially, those who are guru, they are Madhurya. Some Sokhi, some Manjari.
जब टॉयलेट करके परेशान हो जाते हैं उसके बाद क्या करना?
Krishna help, I'm exhausted. Then from the heart you will tell. Otherwise sometimes practicing the mechanical. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. That from the heart. Hidaya hoite bole. Jivar agrote chale. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, Mani, Jaga. He cannot say Jagannath, but he is trying to tell Jagannath. If Jagannath doesn't know, he knows the heart. Little kid something telling his daddy, mommy, they maybe broken word, but daddy, mommy, though it is wrong, but they like it. To them it's very sweet. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? Yes. Like that. The devotee can do something wrong, but he's doing out of love. Krishna appreciate highly. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear? Just like somebody is not a Bengali. He's trying to speak Bengali language. The Bengali is very sweet. You can understand what you want to tell. But maybe broken little mistake is there. They can understand nearest to it what means. Like it. Especially a little kid saying so many things and father and mother enjoys. Isn't it? Huh? Take it, huh? Go on the boys' school. Little boy in India. Seeing his father is shaving. Mommy, I also. But then mother buy him some toy. And he's saying, father, what are you doing? What are you doing? Where did you get this? Father, mother enjoy. He want to like his father, want to share little girl also. The mother is to mommy, I will cook. Your father bring him toy, now you cook, seeing the mother. They enjoy. Nothing to do with good, bad, right. It's something just in there. They love it. Krishna doing so much. Cows, calves, Krishna Balaram go. And put, catch their calves, a tail, and they get scared, they run, and they are sliding in the mud, and sometimes cow down, this, that, mother just says, see, Rohini, see, Krishna Balaram, what are you doing? They enjoy, laugh, too. They stand up, when they run, stand up like that. And mother Jashoda I tell Rohini, look what they're doing. And they bring them out with the cloth. They clean up the kids. They're learning to crawl and doing all this naughty. They enjoy. Right? First time.
Gurmesh,
Huh?
there is a story of Nitan.
Dakshi. They're calling inside. Outside maybe you can catch ghosts. So shall we go inside?
Sure.